Hello, my name is Yasser.
I'm Muslim. I work with the King Dental Company.
I'm an engineer working with the KDB company for installation and maintenance the milling machines.
I have almost experience for 6 years as an engineer and support service with BSM. And it's been a wonderful experience. Very advanced. Also the machines, I've seen the workers here, a lot of workers, and the industrial material is an excellent work.
And the teamwork is very amazing teamwork here. I see the engineers group is very good, and the weather is also good here.
If you want to buy a machine, you need to ask about the service. You need to put it not number one, let's say, number two for the service, because number one is the same machine. Our service, we have groups with any lab who buy the machine or any clinic. They buy the machine, they want to ask any question, we answer them immediately. And same with us and BSM company. If we have any question, we ask for the group support in BSM, and they answer also immediately, even with the time differences with us. So it's 5 hours difference, and they still respond at the same time. So for the service, it's very good. For the same machine, the equipment, the fixture, everything is you can't say anything about it.
This means is very good for me and for the customer, because these things build the trust between us. So we have a service sale, after sale, so this is cool. Training program is very important for the customer, because he can know everything about the machine and the standard things to do it. Without that, he cannot do a job, and he cannot use the machine.
And the inside of the machine, you can see it very clearly, and it's easy to open. So it's easy also to fix anything. We can replace it or fix it at the same time if we have any issues. I'd more like this. Well, my impression is very good. The translucent is very also amazing. I think it's from 45% to 50 something. Compared to another companies, it's higher. And the strength is also amazing. So it's an all-in-one block. You can say that.
There is a strength of the blocks is good also for 3D master blocks, and the quality is good. The future of industry will go to more big level, because we see AI is inside of all jobs. So we will see the more development things in the dental industry.
Well, my thoughts about the future is AI is going to be a lot of improvements for the machines, for the software, and for everything inside the machine also. It's going to be add more accuracy for the work and make it more simple, more easy, more fast, and maybe more reliable, maybe in the future, but not now.